It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control.
Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. And I'm sorry if I'm repeating the jewelries because I actually really need to go jewelry shopping, but it is what it is, right? So today's video, it is kind of like sorry for the sirens, sorry for the road sound. Okay, so today's video is actually kind of like a wedding guest makeup tutorial, but this is actually a very affordable version of my makeup. And you guys always seem to like complain that I always tend to use like higher end products, which many of you cannot afford, but it would be very helpful if I do use affordable products. So this video, I haven't used any high-end products. All of them are from Drugstore. They are very reasonably priced and they are actual good brands. So I hope this video will be actually helpful for you guys. And another tips that I have for you guys is that if you guys are buying like products, make sure you are actually spending your money in an authentic brand and in good quality products, because you know you can actually get like quality products even in like affordable range. But do not like go ahead and buy like stuff which are even not like real, like those Chinese brands and a lot of the things that are available in the market right now in Bangladesh. So just do a little bit of research before buying anything, because you know at the end of the day it is makeup, and for makeup we actually don't want to harm ourselves. So make sure you guys are spending your money in authentic places. And the brands that I used are like widely available here in Bangladesh too, so you guys can easily like buy the products if you want to. And I'll be giving also like a few page suggestions in the description box below if that helps you guys. And this is the look. I don't know if I'm looking good or not. I don't think I'm looking that much of a good, but it is something. I tried. So if you guys do enjoy this video, do like it, and if you guys want to see how I did this look, let's move on with the tutorial. So let's start with the primer, and the primer I'm using is the W7 Prime Magic Camera Ready Primer, and this is actually a possible dupe of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which is like a cult favorite, and this one actually works really nicely. It is almost an exact dupe of that one, so you guys can definitely give this one a shot if you are looking for an affordable primer. So I'm just going to be taking this one and apply it in my face. Next, the ColourGirl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn to color correct my face. And no matter how expensive my makeup routine gets, this is something which is like really constant, and I have been using it for like years and years. So this is the ColourGirl Pro HD Concealer, and this is going in the dark spots of my face to color correct them. For foundation, I'm going to be using one of the most hyped foundation in the recent time, and this is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade F12. Okay, so the foundation actually comes with a very big doe foot applicator. This is how the foundation is looking, and now I'm going to be highlighting my face with a concealer, and the one that I'm using today is the ColourGirl Pro HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. But the thing is, I could actually use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define one, but I think it's just a little bit too thick for my liking. I like my concealer to be a little bit more liquidy in consistency so that it can easily like set in and look flawless. So I'm going to be using the ColourGirl one. I'm also applying it in my lid because this is actually going to be working as my eyeshadow base. Not going to be using any other different eyeshadow base for the eye look today. Okay, so before setting the face, I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of cream contouring, and for that I'm going to be using another Elegirl concealer, and this is in the shade Toast. And I know this video is full of getting like Elegirl products, but these concealers are bomb, and you can like highlight, contour, cover up your dark circles, and so much more on with these concealers. So I'm just going to be chiseling up my cheeks a little bit, then I will just set it with a powder. Time to set all this makeup in place so that it doesn't move around, and for that I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Powder. It's time to do the eyebrows and move on to the eye makeup, but I will be doing them off camera. But the products that I'm also going to be using for the brows are going to be from Drugstore. So the first thing is going to be the Elegirl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. This is so good and so affordable. I've gone through like so many of these, and I always like to stock this product because I don't want to run out of it. It is so affordable and such a amazing product, and I think it is almost similar as the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. And the thing is, I have also done a eyebrow tutorial in the past, so if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, you guys can definitely check out the link somewhere in the screen. And I also like to use a gel or pomade type of product along with the brow pencil. So the thing that I'm going to be using along with the Elegirl brow pencil is the Sleek Brow Kit, and from this one I'm going to be using the gel just to fill in sparse areas if I need to. So I'll be right back after doing the eyebrows, and we will move on to the eye makeup. I'm starting off my eye makeup with the Makeup Revolution SophX eyeshadow palette, and this is the Extra Spice one. As the transition color, I'm going to be picking out the Sweet and Sour shade with a fluffy blending brush. Just slowly building up the color with circular motion. Now the blending brush, I'm going to be picking up the shade Cheesecake, and this is directly going into my crease. This is okay for now. We will be building up the crease a lot more later after we apply the main eyeshadows. So what I'm gonna do is now take a little bit of concealer in my concealer brush and just carve out my lid halfway through. Now I'm taking this shade Infinity, and I'm going to be applying this one in my lid. I am going to be using this one for my outer V, but before doing that, I'm just going to be taking the shade Dreams, and this is actually going to be serving as like kind of the middle shade in between the silver and the matte brown color, and it will create a very nice gradient. Now with a small brush, I'm just stamping the same brown shade in the crease much more deeply to define it a little bit more. For liner, I'm going to be using one of the good drugstore eyeliner, and most of the time I actually always use this one. This is the Maybelline Master Ink eyeliner. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the same shade which we applied in the crease, and that is the cheesecake one. And later we will be adding on a black eyeshadow to kind of create this second inner corner. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using the W7 Extra Big Bold Mascara. For lashes, now I'm going to be wearing this Christina wispy eyelashes, and these are really reasonably priced. They're about $1 or $2 and they look amazing when you wear them. I hope you guys could see the side view and see how long they look. They're amazing. So this is the final eye look, and I just added a little bit of highlighter in the brow bone and the inner corner. Back to the face, and now I'm going to be using my W7 bronzer, and I'm going to be bronzing up my face, kind of like doing a little bit of contour with this one. Not going to use any other product for contouring, so I am basically going to be chiseling up my face with this. And this product is something that is like a staple in my makeup kit because I love this bronzer. No matter how expensive my makeup tutorials get, I always kind of end up using this one. So this is actually like one of the most cheapest bronzer you can find out in the market, and the formulation of this one works like amazingly. I cannot like praise it enough. So this is definitely a hit for me. You guys should really try this one. To get some color back on my cheeks, I'm going to be using my sleek blush, and this is in the shade Sahara. This is a very beautiful orangish type of shade, and it actually like complements my skin tone a lot, and I have used this one a lot, and it also got shattered and I also did fix it, so I haven't used this one in quite a long time. So the sleek blushes are amazing. You guys can definitely try them out if you already haven't, or you guys can also try out the Makeup Revolution blush palettes. They are amazing and they're very reasonably priced. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this sleek Cleopetra's Kiss highlighter palette, and this one got 2 cream highlighters and 2 powder highlights. So what I am going to be doing is I'm gonna take the cream highlighter with the beauty blender, apply it in my face, and then I will be going with the powder highlight on top of it, and this combination actually works really nicely. You guys have seen me like using the Huda Beauty one over and over again, and if you guys look closely in this palette, I have used this one a lot too. So this palette works amazingly too. So if you guys cannot afford to get the Huda Beauty one, you guys can definitely try this one out, because this highlighter palette, oh my god, it is so good. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? There are a lot more other options in drugstore highlighted too. I do have a lot of the Wet n Wild highlighters. They're amazing for their price point. For lip liner, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible lip liner in the shade Shrimp Brown. And for lipstick today, I'm going to be using this Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kai. I do like the lip color, but the thing is with me, I am kind of like obsessed with ombre, and if I don't have like a popping color in the middle, I always feel like I look very flat. So that's why I'm going to be using another shade, and this is the Absolute New York Velvet Lippy, and it's in the shade Terracotta. It's quite light, so I'm just going to be slightly applying this one in the middle. Now to settle down everything in the end, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Aqua Priming Base. This is a supposed dupe of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I like to use a primer water to set my face rather than using a setting spray, because you know, with setting spray I feel like if the formulation is not always right, or if you're using like different type of products and foundations, sometimes it can actually like dry down a little bit too hard and like crack your base, and it might not look good like just within a few minutes after spraying. So I've noticed with the primer water, like with this one or also the Smashbox one, it actually doesn't happen, and the makeup look always looks amazing after you spray primer water. So I'm going to be using this one. So I'll be just climbing up in a minute and I'll be right back. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and this was somewhat helpful for you guys. And I'll be linking all the products in the description box below. Make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me in my Instagram account, because I'm mostly active in there, so you guys can actually reach me through Instagram anytime. So make sure you guys follow me, and I guess I'll see you guys again in my next video. And I'm sorry if you guys actually don't like this look, or however if it's not fitting at all, kind of, because I know I have this feeling like it's not looking good. So I'm sorry if you guys think that, and hopefully the next tutorial will be much better. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I will catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.